What is up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Chatsonic, or you can say Writesonic. In this Chatsonic review, we are going to understand how to use Chatsonic and Chatsonic features. Now, Chatsonic versus ChatGPT. Is Chatsonic better than ChatGPT? So firstly, let's understand what exactly is Chatsonic. Chatsonic is an AI copywriting or an AI content writer, which is one of the best free tools or one of the best free AI tools I have seen. Actually, it's not completely free, but you can say freemium. It's created by Openai Playground, and it's going to offer you the tools like AI article blog writer, paraphrasing tool, text expander, Surfer SEO integration, Facebook ads, Google ads, landing pages, article summarizer, product descriptions, and AI article ideas. Firstly, to get started with Chatsonic, you need to go ahead and sign in through your either your email account or your Gmail account. I've already signed in, and this is how the Chatsonic interface or the Chatsonic dashboard looks like. It is not that different from the ChatGPT interface or the ChatGPT dashboard that we see. You can see on the left hand side there's a new chat option. Over here there are settings which allows you to go ahead and make corrections in your search results as per detail or concise. You can go ahead and select the location that you want to go ahead and select that particular query or search that query into. I'm going to select over here as India, as I stay in India. As you can see that right now we are on the free trial plan and the quality is premium. We get 2500 words in this particular plan. Let's get quickly started with this particular free AI tool. Now over here there are some chat prompts which Writesonic has provided us. I hope you are finding this Chatsonic or Writesonic review video helpful. You can go ahead and either click on one of them and see what is the prompt that you're getting. This is the editor's choice. These are public prompts that are being provided by Writesonic, and then there are personal prompts which you can go ahead and add by yourself, and then there are saved prompts. Let's get quickly started. Let's go ahead and search a particular query. So in order to go ahead and search a particular query, you need to click on this new chat button over here and then click over here and write your prompt. Also, Writesonic actually provides us with one feature that is missing in ChatGPT. Now you can see there is text to speech conversion over here, and there is also something called as image. So you can create a image, an artificial or an AI image using the stable diffusion option over here or DAL-E option over here, and you can click on save preferences. Now I'm gonna go ahead and type over here tips to grow on LinkedIn, and just click on this particular go or send option here. Now it also allows you to select the current personality type, whether you want it English translator, whether you want it in a interviewer voice tonality or something like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it as a general AI and hit on this particular send button. Now it's gonna go ahead and create the prompt based
LinkedIn
answers.
is a powerful platform. Playing from desktop 83Q1 RH8 and advance your career.
Write a compelling headline and provide a summary that highlights your skills, experience, and achievements. 2.
As it actually goes ahead and types, it also goes ahead and translates it into text to
engage with other
speech.
users' content through.
Now as we saw, as the Writesonic chatbot goes ahead and answers your question, it also gives you a text to speech option, which is basically the text is going to be read out by an AI voice. If you don't want to have that to happen, you can click on the settings over here and turn off the text to speech conversion and save preferences. After it is done with the prompting, you either get a bunch of options. You can either like it, dislike it, you can edit it in Sonic editor, you can download it, and then there is text to speech. If I click on this particular option over here, it will again start reading it loud. Then you can go ahead and copy this entire content on your clipboard, and then there is edit option. Now once you click on the Sonic editor option, this is gonna give you this screen wherein you can go ahead and change whatever you want. For example, point 3, you want to go ahead and connect with others or probably send request to others. Something like that, and you can go ahead and either share your document or get out of this particular part. Now there is something called as Photosonic, which is also a Writesonic tool altogether, wherein you can go ahead and create an AI image using text. For example, I have typed over here Taj Mahal in neon colors, and I will click on generate. Let's see what exactly does it do. It's gonna take some time, but as you can see the image, I have got 2 image options over here. You can either download this image or you can go ahead and share it, and so on and so forth. Alright, so that was pretty much about it. There are other things that you can go ahead, but those are paid versions. For example, the bulk upload is another option. There are resources that you can get, which is going to tell you what is exactly Writesonic and the Writesonic review. I hope you found this Writesonic review or Chatsonic review video helpful. We got to see all the Chatsonic features. If you like the video, guys, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I keep on making such trending tools, tutorials and videos. I'll see you the next time. Till then, keep on geeking. You might as well check out the playlist section. It might be helpful if you're a social media manager. Thank you.